Rock garden. Are you one of those who loves rock garden? Then I will show you my rock garden where I just do it myself and with the help of course my two sons. So as you look at it, I just choose plants that they just grow from year to year. And there are these kinds of plants that I don't have to maintain a lot. Plants that tolerate drought. And yes, isn't it so nice like that? So if I go around in my garden, I see this kind of tree that grows just everywhere. So I take them out and then I plant it here. And all those spots there, I planted some, how do you say it, like the family of the cacti where they tolerate drought and you don't have to water them. So if it rains, then it's good. If it doesn't rain, I don't have to worry. So that is the thing. If you're someone who loves traveling and you don't have time to actually maintain your garden, I will tell you, grass, the green grass, they are number one that really needs a lot of maintenance. So look at that. I have some grasses there that has to be cut, but it's a little bit of that part only. So it's not so plenty. So in fact, I'm planning in the front yard, I will also do this kind of gardening where you just do it. And of course, I use some kind of cloth that has to be covered too, so it will not grow grasses. But still, there are still grasses here. But at least it's not so plenty. I have to put out. So those kind of plants that I have there that you see, it's flowering actually. Those are the kind of plants that will tolerate drought. They don't die even if they are dried up for a week. So you wait for the rain and then they will just grow. So nice.